damn, this Infiniti was a pain in my ass. But I think it's done as far as wiring goes. New wires with the loom, two fans. Wizard, setup wizard, and I got it on low side output 6 cooling fan, and set up to 193 for the fans to kick on and off at 185, and those are Fahrenheit. Let's see where we at. It's currently at 176. All right, we're at 190. 193, the fan should kick on. And there she goes. That thing kicks the idle down though. Well, let's see if she cools it down. And I have 2 relays going to it. Let's make sure it's pulling and not pushing. I got a driver. Let's see if she overheats or not. But it's too damn hot. I don't want to move these cars out of the way. So follow and subscribe for part 2.